Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excellence for Sure. Today we'll actually take a session on data analysis using Minitab. So Earlier in my first video, I had discussed about the basics of the Minitab. So what are the basics when you will open this Minitab? What are the things you need to see in the Minitab? Continuing to that, so today I will actually discuss on how to import data to the project manager windows. There are two ways through which you can actually import data from Excel sheet to the project manager. One by one I'm going to show you. So let me open first the Minitab. So once you will open this Minitab file, here this is the project manager windows or worksheet where you want this data to be imported, so that you can actually analyze this data. So there are two ways through which you can import the data. So one is you can directly import data from the Excel sheet. You'll go to the Excel sheet, then that you can just copy and you can paste here the data. So that is a simpler way through which you can actually copy and paste data. But the second way, I'm going to show you actually how you can actually import data. Whenever you will be there in this Minitab windows. Don't You don't have to actually copy data from the Excel file. So here I'm just going to show you how to import data from a file. So first you have to go to file column. So file tab at the left corner. So you click on the file, then you have to open worksheet. So you have to click on open worksheet. Once you will actually click on the open worksheet, so whatever the data you want to, because some of the data are actually there in this sample data. So what the data you want to look for, so you have to click on look in Minitab sample data. So once you click on this, so these are the files, whatever the files are there in the program files, so it will open. So let's select this one. So then once you select here, then you have to click on open. So once you click on open, so this these data will be imported here. So now thing is that you have to see what are the things are here. If you see, this is actually column C1, C2 minus D, C3, C4, C5 minus T. So these are the column, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are the rows. So if you see the data, so first column it is having index. Okay, so second column is having month. So that's why if anything related to month or date, so in the column it will show it as a C2 minus D. So D means it's a date or month format. So then C3 that is having sales. So C3 if it is not containing any D or T, that means you have to see that this column is having numeric data. Okay, so C3 and C4 here it is having numeric data, but if you in C5, so this is actually C5 minus T, it means it is having some text data. C5 minus T, whenever it will be there, so you have to consider that some text data will be there. This is all about how this data is there in the column. So once this data is being imported here, so after that you can actually perform any analysis by going this start menus, by choosing basic statistics, regression, ANOVA, DOE, whatever the analysis you want to do, you can carry it out. Or else if you want to do any graphical analysis, you have to go in the graph menu. Then you have to perform scatter plot, matrix plot, whatever the analysis, graphical analysis you want to do. so you can perform there. So friends, so this is the two way through which you can actually import data to the worksheet. So hope you learn this. So you can use this for your data analysis using Minitab. Thank you very much. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.